I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, cause we're taking off. Pack map here, track is in. Pack map here, in. Track backpack here, in back coast.
To Santa Barbara Church. So, ano tayo? Ito yung church. Hi!
Go, so run away with me and say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. And say hello to New York City. Feet up on the dashboard. We're driving with the windows down. Did you forget your phone cord? We'll buy one in the next small town. Dinner at an IHOP.
Hello guys, welcome to St. Vincent statue. This is made of bamboo. At merong ano yan, elevator. So, ito po siya. Marami ring mga nagbabike na pupunta rito. Yan. Ito po yung kabuuan.
And say hello to New York City.
Nakapagod guys. Grabe. Pahinga muna bago walis. 2 hours from Maldan to Bayambang. So 2 hours kami. Tapos 2 hours din pabalik from Bayambang to Maldan. So dalawa lang kami nagra-rides. Si Philip. So ayun, 2 hours ride. So alis na kami. Bye.
If you never go, so run away with me and say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City. Say hello to New York City.
Bye for now.